Hi everybody, this is a passage on nation is a soul. वैसे भी नेशन हमारी आत्मा होती है, उस पे इतना बड़ा पैसेज लिखने की क्या ही जरूरत पड़ गई थी और इतना डेंस फिलोसॉफिकल टाइप दिख रहा है मुझे, बट चलो करना तो है हमने. A nation is a soul, a spiritual principle, two things, okay. हीरो कौन है इसका? नेशंस एग्जिस्टेंस 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 समराइज, ओके. मैन इज अ स्लेव, ओके. They certainly have a right to express their views. यार बहुत ही बकवास, बहुत ही बेहुदा टाइप का पैसेज दिख रहा है मुझे, जिसमें नेशन, सोल, ट्रांसेंडेंट, मैन, ह्यूमन, लॉ, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. बहुत बकवास है. चलो सीधा हम ना एक बार क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे, देन वील गो बैक एंड डू आवर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड रीडिंग. What does the author refer to when he writes a daily plebiscite? Now, this is a specific inference question. Moreover, you need to know the meaning of plebiscite.
तुम दोनों की
नहीं
बात
पता है
अलग
तो
है.
कनेक्ट करके तो निकाल लोगे आप, बट बेटर होता है कि भाई आपको थोड़ा सा वोकैब हो. So plebiscite is connected to voting. Fine. Referendum. Now, question 2 क्या कह रहा? Most likely agree. So we are looking for one true. F, F, F. This should be good because we need to look for something. I mean, we can easily locate 3 traps. 3 options will be with traps, right? Okay. Which of these would be a suitable title? टाइटल वाला अच्छा होना चाहिए. टाइटल का टेक्निक मैं आपको बताऊंगी. द थिंग दैट एक्चुअली वर्क्स इन मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस. What could possibly be the reason for the author to conclude? Okay, so this is again specific, looks good to me. Apt tone. So you know what, I would like to start this set with the tone and title. Number 1, number 2, and then take over. I think then I would like to move on to what? ये नंबर 3. ठीक है, चलिए. डेली प्लेबिसाइट एंड ऑल देखते हैं क्या बोल रहा है ये. Now, 2 things properly speaking, okay. Spiritual principle. One is the possession, okay. Other is consent, desire to live together, continue, okay. Messieurs, man does not improvise. क्या कहना चाह रहा है ये? The nation, okay. From here, I understand the nation, like the individual, is the outcome of a long past of efforts, sacrifices, and devotions. How is this connected to the first part? Nation is a soul, so the hero is the nation. Spiritual principle, he says, okay. Really one and the same. ठीक है, ये सब कचरा बीच का छोड़ के you can move on to this part. ये the nation is the outcome of a long past of efforts of all cults, okay, and then skim a little bit again. These are the essential conditions. I'm just looking for the important words क्योंकि इतना पूरा पैरा नहीं पढ़ सकते हैं. ठीक है. Loves the house, proportion, okay. Spartan chant, having suffered, independent, okay. Now I'll go here. In fact, periods of mourning are worth more to national memory than triumphs because they impose duties and require a common effort. Great solidarity constituted by this, okay. All right. कॉमन लाइफ, सब बकवास ही लग रहा है मुझे तो ये सब. ठीक है, तो इतना ज्यादा घुसना नहीं उसमें रीडिंग के लिए. आई एम एक्चुअली लुकिंग फॉर दैट प्लेबिसाइट वाला थिंग एंड कीपिंग इन माइंड द फ्लो. ये देखो प्लेबिसाइट यहाँ है. अ नेशंस एग्जिस्टेंस इज अ डेली प्लेबिसाइट. डेली व्हाट? या मेटाफॉर कंपेयर किया है. सो ही हिमसेल्फ इज सेइंग, प्लीज एक्सक्यूज द मेटाफॉर. Just as an individual's existence is a perpetual affirmation of life, daily we affirm our life, है ना? That's our existence. So nation's existence क्या है? Daily plebiscite, the collective voting thing, the collective group that comes and kind of has a say in the government. Yes, I know that is less metaphysical than this, okay. Fine, in the scheme of ideas, a nation has no more right. Now, this is the meaning here. No more right than a king to say to a province, okay, you belong to me, I'm taking you, right? A nation has no more right than a king to say to a province, you belong to me, I'm taking you. Annex कर रहा हूं मैं. For us, a province is its inhabitants, and if anyone, ये सब बकवास, अब थोड़ा और skim करो, wow of nations, what now remains, man remains, okay, all right, human will changes. Nations are not eternal, बार बार nation की ही चल रही है. Their existence, so nation and existence, ये मुद्दा है इनका. I summarize. Okay, इसको मैं skim करूंगी as long as moral conscience. Okay, छोड़ दो आप ये. Then they certainly have a right to express their views. Okay, consult the populations. Let's know how to submit. Perhaps after many fruitless experiments. All right. You know what? यहाँ पे एक ज्ञान पॉइंट ले लो. इतना गंदा पैसेज अगर आप पढ़ने बैठ गए थे तो आपको 3-4 मिनट इजीली लग जाएगा and that is going to be disastrous. So in this you have to play very smart. अभी कैसे, जैसे I would like to go to the tone first, है ना. 3 से 4 क्वेश्चंस इसमें बन जाएंगे आपके, लिटरली लाइक कनेक्ट करके. वो जो ट्रू फॉल्स वाला है छोड़ दो उसको, जरूरी थोड़े ना सारे के सारे करना. एप्ट टोन ऑफ द पैसेज. अभी एप्ट टोन बोले तो माइल्डली पेसिमिस्टिक, ऑप्टिमिस्टिक, ये दोनों तो ऑपोजिट्स हो गए. Gently indignant. Indignant is angry, and acerbic. Acerbic is extreme, out. Angry मुझे अभी तक तो नहीं समझ आया, जितना थोड़ा बहुत मैंने पढ़ा. So it's either this or this. Now, optimistic, pessimistic. Author's tone overall जो होता है that we get from the last 5-6 lines of the passage. He could have started on any other tone, but then where he ends is important. Certainly have a right to express their views. Okay. What naivete. These sickly French ideas that pretend to replace diplomacy and war with an infantile simplicity. Let's listen and leave the reign of the transcendence. Okay. Let's know how to submit to such strong disdain. So the author is not disdainful. वो कह रहा, let's know how to submit to this. Perhaps after many fruitless experiments, they will later return to our modest empirical solutions. So उसको उम्मीद है कि इतने fruitless experiments हो गए, still there is a chance that they may return to our empirical solutions. At certain moments, the best way to be right is to know how to resign one's self to being out of fashion. So he's talking about going with the flow, resigning a little bit, not completely. And then he says they may later return to our modest this. So if I take these points and go over to this, mildly pessimistic or cautiously optimistic. Between these two, obviously this is better. He sounds slightly hopeful. At the same time, he's saying, yaar, aisa hai. We can do this, still aisa hai. So overall, he is optimistic, but cautiously. This is better than this. Mildly pessimistic मैं क्यों eliminate कर रही हूँ exactly, I'll tell you. यही है ये 3. Let's listen. कह रहा ना, let's listen, messieurs, and leave the reign of the transcendence. Let's know how to submit. ये जो tone है इनका. Perhaps they will return. So ये pessimistic कहाँ हो रहा है? ये तो लोगों को जगा रहा है, लोगों को कह रहा है it can be done, but then there are like some problems that are there. ये they certainly have a right to express. Right. From this, consult the populations, you say. What naivete? कितनी गलत बात कर रहे हो? These sickly French ideas that pretend to replace. Okay, let's listen. So ये कह रहा है इससे बेहतर है सुनो and leave the reign. Right? So between these two options, this is better. वैसे अगर मैं शायद टोन का क्वेश्चन इस पे बनाती तो मेरा cautiously optimistic तो नहीं होता. ठीक है? क्या बनता exactly ये भी नहीं मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा है. But between these two, definitely this is better. Then question 2. Tone. ये title कर लेते हैं यार, ये बहुत सही लग रहा है मुझे. Suitable title. Nation, past and present, eliminated. So nation. Now history, future or what? What is a nation? So a nation is a soul. अच्छा title का आप यहाँ पे technique समझो. Main idea plus first line of every para. So main idea plus primary purpose दोनों को combine करके we get the title. Nation खेल रहा है ये. And then he's explaining क्या है this something. common life. Existence is, right, is a perpetual affirmation, not completely past and present का नहीं है. What now remains, okay, सब कुछ ला रहा है वो. Their existence. I summarize. Man is a slave, neither this, okay, okay. Great aggregation of men, okay, call itself a nation. बहुत ही clear है इसका पता. It's like between these history and future, these are narrow. Maybe एक एक पैरा में कहीं एक आध थ्रेड में ऐसी बात हो रही होगी, but the main thing is this. Okay, then I'll go to this. What does the author refer to when he writes a daily plebiscite? A daily plebiscite is यहाँ है ना, a daily plebiscite, just like this. उसका more right, no more right than a king saying something and all. So I take you over to this, जो daily plebiscite अभी. Now let's check the options. Nation states, though hardly have divine rights, ought to be less brutal than what they are in the past. Okay. A nation state should not annex any territory. Out. The legitimacy of a nation state is derived from its people. उसकी खुद की औकात नहीं है. That is what he has said there. I'll keep this. The past and the present are both important for nations. I'll keep this. Nation states, though hardly have divine rights, okay, ought to be less brutal than what they were in the past. Less brutal than. Brutality का नहीं है. They don't have so many rights ऐसा type का ठीक है, but divine not exactly. So I'll take you back to that zone. आप देखो यहाँ खुद यहाँ लिखा है क्या. Individual's existence is a perpetual affirmation of life. Okay, yes, I know this. This is less metaphysical than divine right and less brutal. Okay, in the scheme of ideas, a nation has no more right than a king. Okay, for us, a province is its inhabitants and this. That's it. It is the inhabitant. इसने लिख रखा है यहाँ पे. So daily plebiscite, definitely इसमें और इसमें, derived from its people, inhabitant. This is your answer. हम वही टेक्निक करते हैं. 2 बच गए हमारे. We take one and try to prove it. Right? हो गया ये. This was very good, doable. 2 तो नहीं कर रही अभी मैं, पहले इस पे जाऊंगी. What could possibly be the reason for the author to conclude at certain moments the best way to be right in the future is to know how to resign oneself to being out of fashion? I'm going to locate this first, है ना? Being out of fashion वाला last ही में था शायद. Here. So, टोन कैसा है इसका यहाँ पर? ये कह रहा है let's know how to submit to such strong disdain. उनकी घृणा है. Disdain is that. So how to submit to such this thing? Like, you know, we need not contend that. We need not be aggressive about it. Perhaps after many this, they will later return to our this. उनको समझ में आएगा बाद में. At certain moments, the best way to be right in the future is to know how to be a little submissive. Okay, resign oneself to being out of fashion. You can show that, okay, fine, I'm not exactly as smart as you, I'm not exactly as top of the class as you. इस तरह का ये बता रहा है, ठीक है? So I'll go back to this. So at certain moments, reason क्या है? Perhaps the idea of nation states draw from consent that is not necessarily based only on race, religion, और language was not in vogue at that time. Fashion की वजह से ये रख के देखते हैं. I'm not sure. Perhaps the idea of nation states drawn from consent that is not necessarily based only on this was a utopian dream at that time. Okay, ठीक है. Perhaps the author was not happy with the secessionist movements of the time. Perhaps the author was not happy with the suppression of secessionist movements of the time. ये और ये तो out of scope लग रहा है मुझे. I'm eliminating these. Now between these two, question फिर से क्या कह रहा है? What was the reason for the author to conclude? So I'm going to go back to that para and read a little more. They certainly have a right to express their views. There you have what makes the transcendent of politics smile so. Those infallibles who pass their lives being wrong and who from the eminence of their superior principles, जो people who look down their noses की बात कर रहा है, feel pity for our mundane world कि ये क्या है, lesser mortals. Consult the populations, you say, What naivete! These sickly French ideas that pretend to replace diplomacy and war with an infantile simplicity. So, he's talking about those people who consider themselves superior and let's listen, messieurs, and leave the reign. तो ये जनरल लोगों को पुकार रहा है, कह रहा है कि छोड़ो, जाने दो उन बेवकूफों को, उन लोगों को, let them be. This is what he's saying. And these people, ये जो है ना, ये they are full of disdain for the general population, right? ये यहाँ पे ये टोन आ रहा है इसका. So ये resign oneself to being out of fashion. So वही जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बोला था कि it's better to just kind of lie low for some time and agree to it that okay, we are kind of not exactly as good as you या कुछ ऐसा. Perhaps the idea drawn from the consent that is not necessarily based only on this, or language was not in vogue at that time, ये रख सकते हैं. The idea of nation states drawn from consent similar है, that is not necessarily based only on race, religion or language, or language was a utopian dream at that time. Utopian dream and vogue. Vogue is a rephrasing thing of fashion, है ना, a rephrasing of this thing. So I think it's better to go with this. A आपका सही है इसमें, between A and B. Right, because of this utopian dream that's not connected. Utopian dream का ऐसा कोई discussion नहीं है. Race, religion or language was not in vogue at that time. ये देखो आप. Resign oneself to being out of fashion. Submit to such strong disdain. ठीक है. So between those two that's fine. A और ये बच गया हमारा. हाँ. So 3 traps है, एक हमारा true होगा. Agree with what? A nation will continue to exist as long as there is liberty for its people. बोला है ना, inhabitants, 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 inhabitants. So this is true. The value of the past when conflicts with that of the present, okay, the existence of a nation is threatened. Not sure. The principle on which a nation is founded rests on a static idea of public consent. Again, this is connected with people, but static or dynamic, ये check करना पड़ेगा. The different values of sufferings and joys of the past combine the people of a nation at present. Now, agree पूछा है, right? Agree with which of these? तो liberty for its people ये true तो लग रहा है मुझे, but then you know what? There is something I'll tell you. ये static, I'm not okay with this. Static idea. Static is generally not taken as good, है ना? And यहाँ पे जो है continue to exist only invisible दिख रहा है मुझे. A nation will continue to exist only as long as there is liberty. So ये red flag type हो सकता है, ये red flag type हो सकता है. So between B and D, एक true होगा, एक false है. The different values of sufferings and joys of the past combine the people of a nation at present. और ये कह रहा है when the values of the past when conflicts with that of the present, the existence of a nation is threatened. तो इन दोनों में से एक prove करने की कोशिश करते हैं. चलो. Spartan, okay. अभी यहाँ क्या बोल रहा है, past present में चले जाओ. A nation is therefore a great solidarity constituted by the feeling of sacrifices made and those that one is still disposed to make. It presupposes a past but is reiterated in the present by a tangible fact, consent, the clearly expressed desire to continue a common life. ठीक है, तो ये consent इनका ठीक है. One loves the house, ये सब में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको. Heritage, okay. Having suffered, all right. Common taxes, ठीक है. Okay, and then I go over. यहाँ check करते हैं threatened. Is it threatened because past वाला clash हो रहा है? What remains? Secession, okay. Humans will change, okay. Okay, communal good. Okay, I go back to this. हाँ, so ये हमने कर लिया था शायद, ये कर रहे थे हम, राइट. हाँ, सो बिटवीन दिस एंड दिस है ना, द वैल्यू ऑफ द पास्ट, दोनों में लाइक सिमिलर पास्ट वाला थिंग है, बट यहाँ कह रहा है, द वैल्यू ऑफ द पास्ट व्हेन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स विद दैट ऑफ द प्रेजेंट, द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ अ nation is threatened. So he is trying to say that these should be aligned. Okay, the different values of sufferings combine the people of a nation at present. Okay, nation is threatened and conflicts वाला एक बार prove करके देख लेते हैं. ठीक है, ये what now remains? Okay, the vow of nations is the sole legitimate criterion and that to which it is necessary to constantly return. We have chased metaphysical and theological. Okay, what now remains? Remains desires. The secession. Okay, collapse of nations are the consequence of a system which placed these old organisms at the mercy of often poorly enlightened wills. It is clear that in such a matter, no principle should be pushed too far. ठीक है, so he's actually talking about both getting aligned. At the present moment, the existence is a good and even necessary thing. Liberty, all right, fine. So overall जो इसका है ना, what we can infer here is, ये आपका फर्स्ट पैरा में भी दिया है इसने, ये देखो आपको दिखाती हूँ. A heroic past with great men and glory is the social capital upon which the national idea rests. These are the essential conditions, right? Made great things together. Wishing to make them again. One loves in proportion to the sacrifices. यही है, exactly he's trying to say. Align करो दोनों को, otherwise there will be a problem. Disposed to make. ठीक है? So between these two, ये आपका है, this is better. Existence is kind of threatened. Don't think कि threatened यहाँ पे like that's going to be an extreme word, because present and past को alignment की बात कर रहा है. The different values of this combine the people. ये दोनों के बीच में I think this is much better. ठीक है, so this is good. 3, 4, 5 done. Okay, now out of these 5 I would have done 3 questions. Tone, title and daily plebiscite. Number 2 तो मैं definitely छोड़ देती, not because you cannot come upon the answer, but because it's taking a lot of time. Okay, और ये 4 जो है, some students may not have been able to kind of connect the vogue and fashion वाला thing because of vocabulary, तो ये भी आप छोड़ सकते थे. Got it? So 3 out of 5. Attempt ही 3 होना चाहिए था इस पैसेज में से. ये भी तो सीख लो ना आप कि हाँ भाई हर पैसेज में से आप कितने सॉल्व करोगे. 5 के 5, 6 के 6 नहीं करना जरूरी है. Hope clear guys. Thank you.